What's happening, good people? I go by the name Phoenix Flame. I'm a music producer, and today I'm back with a new tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how I arrange my beats. Let's get straight into it. First things first, what I like to do, I like to duplicate my track so that it can be a longest track. But first things first, I split my tracks. Everything is separated. So Control B. So whenever I'm arranging a beat, I'll go section by section. So for my intro, I don't want anything hectic. Drums, all of them out. Yeah, let's listen to that. So right there, what I'll do, I'll add a riser so that a listener can be interested on the beat. So let's add that. So this is the new transition. That'll be my chorus. Then I'll start removing stuff that I don't really like on my verse. I'll keep it simple. So what you're doing basically when you're arranging a beat, you always want to think of the singer or the rapper that is going to jump on it. So we're creating space basically. I don't really like this 808. It's overpowering my beat right now. Let me use something simple. Cymatics. It's not really sounding well on my headphones, so I like that. Just put it on key. So always, I like to keep my verses really short. If the artist wants me to increase the verse, that's what I'll do. But with nowadays modern rap and modern R&B, you don't really have to do much. Okay, let's remove those. Then basically, what I'll do now, I'll do sort of like a pre-chorus type of vibe. Let's do this. Just want to move my mic a little bit. Let's create an automation for that. Then we need some sort of a riser. Use that. Reverse it. Then that's about it. Now you have a properly arranged beat. So let's have a listen to the whole beat. Oh, another thing that I like doing, forgot this is a dope trick. On my master, but I don't recommend this to do it on every song. I start with a large reverb. Then I automate it. Sort of like a transition effect. So before that, so those are the type of things that you can do to make to give your beat like some sort of energy and movement in a way. So another trick that I like to do, now the tricks are coming in. It's crazy. Anyway, use gross beat or which one was? I think it's this one. 3. No, it's fine. Let's use. So what I'm gonna do right now is more like the instrument is gonna play like some sort of like a synth reverse, but I only wanted to do that on the first, so I'm still gonna automate that. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm Go by the name Phoenix Flame for God Level Beats. I'm signing out. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment. And oh yeah, I have an announcement to make. If you want me to work on your beat or help you out on something, just holler at me. I'll leave my email below. So if you want to collaborate, or you have some loops for me, or you want me to send you loops, I'm doing that, like on my Instagram and doing it everywhere. So if you really want me to help you out on your production, just holler at me and tell your friends about me, tell your girlfriend about me, tell your grandma about me, tell everybody about me. It's Phoenix Flame for God Level Beats. Peace. Subscribe. Subscribe.